How many of you are struggling with pain, inflammation, weight gain, weight loss? Your body's out of balance. Well, we're here to help you balance your body. My name is Amanda, and I have been in the nutrition and the consulting business for the last 20 years helping people. And I want to help you. First, I want to start with my story here and what happened to me. I have a 20-year injury here. I was bucked off a horse and I fell off so hard I compressed everything. This is the worst fracture that you could possibly have, and I spent 9 months without even walking before I could even put any pressure on it. So 20 years after that, when I get out of that position, start walking around, immediately my trauma, my body wants to hold on. And because of that, I got a lot of hip pain. And now my hips are off, and now my back went bad on me, and then my neck, and pretty soon I couldn't do anything. I was literally struggling in my life. I spent 8 years being clinically obese. I was diagnosed with mercury poisoning, adrenal fatigue, and lots of female hormone issues. And so through all the story and going through that, I found out what we have to do in order to balance our body. And that's not what you think. It's not go to the gym and exercise a whole bunch and eat good food and spaced out every 2.5 hours. It's not that. It's you got to give your body the right tools. But the first thing we want to start with is your structure alignment. It's way more important than you think. If you're holding on to tension in your ankles and your feet and you've had an injury there or whatnot, that energy can't go to your knees and to your hips, and then ultimately it can't go to your brain. If you're holding a cell phone all day, if you're at a computer all day and you're here, now you're blocking your energy again. And the brains in our body, we have several of them, they communicate. And so when our spine is not aligned, those brains can't communicate. And so now your thyroid's off, you have insulin issues, you have weight problems. And it's not even related to, your nutrition. It's related to your posture and also the negative thoughts. The second pillar here is when we have negative thoughts, we create cortisol and adrenaline. That's anxiety, stress. And so when we have that, it's a rush of energy, but it's also very hard on the body because it's creating inflammation. And so then we have all this itis, this arthritis, bursitis, tendonitis from our own thoughts. So here we want to help you with your thoughts, create happy feelings that help you heal, like oxytocin, serotonin. So that's a staple to your health. And then the third one here is we want to fuel your body. We want to give you all the tools so your body can use the tools to help balance itself. And then we have a support group. So we are super excited for you. We are offering you a 30-minute free consultation. So you'll just take a nice little video of yourself walking, and we want to see how your stride is walking so we can see your posture. And then we want a photo as well. And we also have a health history for you. So if you want to partake in that and you want to transform your life and get out of that pain and inflammation and bad thoughts and maybe you're not comfortable in your body that you have now, well, let's change that. Now is the time. It's free, and we can't wait to see you on the inside. Cheers.